teachers from grade 2 with teacher Tita Electic, master teacher, as their grade chairperson.
Approaching the aisle are the grade 3 teachers with their grade chairperson, teacher Joanne G. Katunhay, master teacher 1.
The grade 4 teachers, together with their grade chairperson, teacher Nia Lucia S. Grino.
Next are the grade 5 teachers headed by their grade chairperson, Maria Fe C. Saide, master teacher 2.
And we acknowledge the teachers also from grade 6 with teacher Helda E. Santiago. Teacher 3 is the grade chairperson, though they are not around today, for they are attending an equally important activity at this moment. They are attending a Thanksgiving Mass at the Katarman Cathedral.
Approaching the center aisle is our guest of honor, together with our division school personnel.
Thomas Hill School Head, Dr. Larajane and Undergrade. Parents and guests, it is my distinct honor and great pleasure to present to you the candidates for completion of Kindergarten Class of 2026, consisting of 126 boys and 125 girls. These 251 young learners have successfully navigated their first formal step in their educational journey. They have demonstrated growth in their social and emotional skills, foundational literacy and numeracy, and have met all the requirements set forth by the Department of Education.
To the board of completers, we call our school's division superintendent, Dr. Eldesia C. Alejandro.
For the certification of our completers, may we call on our district
Superintendent. After having been presented to the great chairman of the kindergarten, and as the principal of Katarman 1 Central School, I hereby certify that these 251 candidates for completion have satisfactorily completed the kindergarten curriculum for the school year 2025-2026. And now I am requesting the school's division superintendent to confirm their completion.
Sa bisa ng kapangyarihan na ipinagkaloob sa atin ng ating magalang-galang na kalihim sa nilanggara sa Department of Education, ipinahabot ko ang formal na pagkilala sa mga kapaaral ng Katarman 1 District at Katarman Central School na matagumpay na nakatupad sa lahat ng mga akademikong kinakailangan at karapat-dapat na kilalanin bilang completer sa kindergarten sa pamamagitan ng sertifikasyon na ibinahagi ng ating tagamasing pangkurok at unong guro ng Central Elementary School. Ang inyong dedikasyon at pagsisikap ay patunay ng inyong kahandaan na harapin ang susunod na yugto ng buhay. Kaya, binibigyan ko kayo ngayon ng karapatan na tanggapin from kindergarten hanggang sa grade 1. Congratulations sa inyong lahat, mga kabataan. Formal kong ibinibigay ang pagkumpirma at pagkilala at kayo'y maaari nang maging officially enrolled for grade 1 sa darating na school year 2026-2027. Pwede na kayo